Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to create a distribution list in Gmail. So basically a distribution list could be very useful when you want to email multiple people at once without typing each email address manually every time. So to create a distribution list, we need to use our browser. For me, it's Safari. For you, it can be Chrome or whatever you like. And then we need to type Google Contacts and open this link. Then we want to make sure that you're using the right email address. If you have more than one email address, you just need to click the profile picture, and here is the list of your accounts, and click your account by simply clicking on it. Okay, so it's my account that I need. Okay, creating a distribution list. We need to firstly create a label. To do that, I need to enter the menu. This is those three horizontal lines in the upper left corner, and here is the label section, and click plus sign. And now we need to name our label. For example, it will be group project, and save by clicking the save button. Label group project is created. So now we just need to add some contacts to the label. To add contacts to the label, we just need to click on the contact and mark. So for example, I want to add those three contacts to my label. So when I selected my contacts, I need to click this icon. I don't know what that is. And here is the list of your labels. You just need to choose the label you need, group project, and click apply. Three contacts labeled group project, and if I open my label in the menu again, group project, you will see that I have here three contacts that I have added. Yeah, that's basically it. That's how you can create a distribution list in Gmail. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave your thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel. See you later. Bye bye.